fine. She likes it.
I will she jump.
Just put it up high. She'll jump. She will go crazy.
Wow.
I know.
Roxy would never be able to do that.
Now who's going to dry her off?
I will.
All right.
She's
I
soaked.
got to volunteer. I don't.
Well, it's hard to wash the coolers with her jumping at your stream every time too. So.
And she just loves to jump. Is Kenai all wet? No. Come on.
No, she's running away. Okay, that's just ridiculous, Jared. She's gonna go after. She'll go after the lowest point.
Start far. Now I'm just working.
Wow. She goes on forever.
I know. I don't think she'll ever stop. Actually. She does a really high jump. Yay!
All right.